do. I don't stop the music. My bad, y'all. Hey beauties, it's your girl T from the Dsoleil twins, and I'm so happy that y'all have joined us for another Tresses by Twins hair video. If you don't know, I am an avid synthetic wig user, and I have found another synthetic wig that I think you guys would enjoy. Now there are some pros and cons to this unit, because you know I will tell you my honest opinion. So bear with me through the video so that you can make sure that you're not missing any pieces. But in this tutorial, I do have the plucking, I have the installation, I have my ups and downs, and I have the application that is seamless, might I add. Did some cutting. As you all know, I love to do me a little bit of layering in there, and make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see how I'm layering these units, as well as getting this flat ass install. This is not the baby hair from my lace class or the 101, but I think I really enjoyed this look. And so if you want to try another synthetic unit with me, because you're not spending your coins, we're spending my coins together, then make sure you watch the entire video and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Go in with my Tropical Roots. This is the Red Pimento Strong Roots. Now I'm gonna go on my Tropical Roots Red Pimento. This is the leave-in conditioner. I broke the lid, so I have to pull it out like this. Take some oil, get in our scalp, and seal in the moisture from that leave-in. Y'all, I'm determined to grow my hair back out. I just, between me perming my leave out for my body wave hair all the time, and it's just bad how I don't care. All right. Hey y'all, I'm back. You haven't missed a lot. I just want to give my camera time to charge. I need another battery. I ain't cap. So I just cleaned my hairline with isopropyl alcohol. Normally I use witch hazel, but I'm just trying the alcohol to see if there's a major difference. I use my amazing black even that I'm running out of to scoop my hair back with my blow dryer, and that's all you have missed. I cut it pretty small on purpose and then try to force my ear through. Oh, and I already got a little rising on the head of her. I hope my face is not messed up. Well, clearly it's gonna be, right? All right, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Eben. Okay. I need a closer mirror. Y'all, I got a semi-widow's peak, so that's why I'm like coming low and then going around it. Eben, can y'all send me some more lace glue? I'm gonna reach out to Eben, see if I can get some glue. I'm gonna do a story time. I really should be embarrassed. I don't know why I wanna tell y'all, but I think it'll be way more interesting. I do not use this, okay? That's the ball cap. I'm about to jump over and pluck this wig. In the meantime, I'm doing cold air. No plucking space on this unit. It's the only thing with these synthetics, they really do be hit or miss, but that's why, my bad. That's why we're trying them out for you before you even take yourself to the hair store. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really trying to break up this hairline, like this whole straight line. I'm trying to break that up because It's just a mess, girl. They did not manufacture this evenly on both sides. That's what I'm noticing. Because you see how you can see the white right there? Over here? Something in here is like really thick. This. Like it's a bunch of short pieces and then it's all just trash. Like all these short pieces. I don't know where these short pieces come from. Like they messed up or something. Now we're gonna cut it up and y'all gonna see how I layer it up. I'm gonna talk to TikTok too. See where I want my curls to fall, and I want them like right there. Take a piece of the hair and I'm gonna cut it at an angle. It doesn't have to all be off the first time, and you just keep doing this. I love that. I'm just making it go back because I wanted to fit my face. So you see, whoa. And it'll start adding its own layers in there to help me out. Ooh, ooh, hold on. Some in here. With these synthetics, y'all, you cannot be afraid to shear these things out. You cannot be afraid to cut them up some, just so they're a little more true to the look. Ooh, ooh. But y'all get the point. I'm gonna come back with the finished look. YouTube, we here. Y'all know how to do stuff. So this how we looking. Not gonna lie to y'all, I want it a wee bit shorter, but I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna stop there. Difference. Difference cutting makes. I'm about to flatten it out with a hot comb and come back with the finished results, and y'all can know the type of wig this is on my YouTube, and make sure y'all subscribe to see how I plucked it to get this hairline as well, girl. All right, YouTube, let's do the other side together. So again, I'm gonna brush. That's pretty, right? When you do this, it's so low onto my face versus like giving me that initial height. I'm just going to, and I really thin this out, y'all, lightly. If I'd rather have too much hair left than not enough, so please be gentle. You don't have to cut everything the first time. These YouTube videos be sped up anyway, so keep that in mind. Tuda, please like, comment, and subscribe so Tuda can find something to do. It's still a little low. Y'all see my face? It's still a little low, so I can go in a little bit higher, like right there. And I'm right-handed. That's why it's easier to do this on the other side of my face than it is to do this over here. I'm gonna stop right there. This is not my favorite wig because it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but they need the part and space that they had on that other 13x6 from Maximina. I scalped that bitch. This one is beautiful but questionable, and that's just because for the people who like don't really like, you know, do hair like that, you're gonna have a little bit of a pushback, but I know you can do it. So you just stick it out, and push come to shove, girl, DM me and pay me, and I'll go order the wig for you and scalp it for you and send it to you. That hump, it's not giving. Y'all gotta lay her down. Don't be scared. Especially on the synthetic wigs y'all wearing to work and school, and you gotta put a hot comb to that, babe. And don't be scared. Look at that. Oof. Look at that. Hold on. Y'all know I like my two pieces, so I'm gonna go up here. Finished product. Over the next few days, I may trim it a little bit more, but this is what she's giving. Loving it. Period.